Good morning to all of you. This is Swamir Singh working at PGT English in KM Public School, Bhiwani. Today I am here to represent this institute on the occasion of International Day of World Indigenous Peoples. The International Day of World Indigenous Peoples is celebrated each year on 9th of August to mark the day of first meeting of UN Working Group on Indigenous Peoples to promote and protect the human rights. Each year, UNESCO marks celebration of the day by sharing information on projects and activities that are relevant to the annual theme. This International Day of Indigenous Peoples, we must demand their inclusion, participation and approval in the constitution of system with social and economic benefits for all. That's why 2021 theme is leaving no one behind indigenous peoples and the call for a new social contract. There are over 476 million indigenous peoples living in 90 countries across the world, which is about 6.2% of the global population. Indigenous peoples are the holders of a vast diversity of unique cultures, traditions and languages. Resilience of indigenous peoples during COVID-19. The COVID-19 has exposed many existing inequalities and affecting population all over the world. Indigenous communities experienced a lot of problems due to poor access to healthcare and other essential services during the pandemic. Indigenous peoples' traditional lifestyles are a source of their resiliency and can also prove a threat in preventing the spread of COVID-19. These social gatherings put such peoples at risk during the pandemic time. Indigenous peoples are becoming even more vulnerable during this global pandemic due to poor access to effective monitoring, adequate health and social services. People who already face food insecurity had to face bitter challenges in access to food due to continued lockdown in a number of countries. With the loss of their traditional livelihood, such people are adversely affected by the pandemic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, myself Swastika from class 11th. I'm going to give you speech on the occasion of World's Indigenous People Day. We celebrate this day on 9th of August. So here's my speech. This year's International Day of World's Indigenous People offer a moment to reflect on how difficult the COVID pandemic has been for the indigenous people around the world and how much promise there is from ongoing initiatives to support and engage these communities who have to teach the world about resilience, traditional medicines and protection of both land and seas. The COVID-19 pandemic poses a grave health threat to this community around the world. Indigenous people already experience poor access to health care, significantly higher rate of communicable and non-communicable diseases, lack of access to essential services, etc. Even when indigenous people are able to access healthcare services, they can face stigma and discrimination. As is unfortunately the case with many crises, indigenous people have been hit especially hard by this novel coronavirus and the associated lockdown and economic downturn. Even prior to COVID-19, the leading cause of death of indigenous people in Amazon was the respiratory illness. Elders are important knowledge holder in this community, so their particular vulnerability can lead to significant loss. Indigenous people experience high degree of socio-economic marginalization and are disproportionate risk in public health emergencies, becoming even more vulnerable during this global pandemic. Owing to factors such as lack of their access to early warning system and adequate health and social services. The situation of indigenous women, who are often the main provider of food and nutrition to their families, is even graver. Yet these communities are seeking their own solution to this pandemic. They are taking actions in using traditional knowledge and practices such as voluntary isolation and sealing of their territories, as well as protecting in their own language. Thank you.
मैं जैस्मिन कक्षा 11वीं ई की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को विश्व आदिवासी दिवस के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। विश्व आदिवासी दिवस आबादी के अधिकारों को बढ़ावा देने और उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए प्रत्येक वर्ष 9 अगस्त को आदिवासी लोगों के लिए विश्व आदिवासी दिवस बनाया जाता है। यह उपलब्धियाँ उन सभी विचारों और जो मूल निवासी रूप से पर्यावरण संरक्षण जैसे हमारे देश के सभी मुद्दों को सुचारू बनाने के लिए करते हैं। आदिवासी का हमारे समाज और संस्कृति में तथाकथित समाज का रवैया कहा गया है तथा इस बात की खोज निकाली जा रही है कि आदिवासी के अद्भुत और विलक्षण क्या हैं। जनजातियों की संस्कृति परंपरा विचारणीय सिद्ध हुई है। आदिवासियों का कलात्मक प्रवृत्ति तथा उनकी प्रतिभा लोगों के लिए अपने आप में एक महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धियां हैं। अपनी संस्थाओं और संस्कृति के ऐतिहासिक तर्क और बौद्धिक विकास भी महत्वपूर्ण है। आदिवासी की पूरी जिंदगी क्रियाशील प्रयोजनशील है, इसलिए उनकी संस्कृति एक ऐसा कार्य ग्रहण करती है जिनमें उनके जीवन और यथार्थ की पुनर्रचना होती है। विश्व आदिवासी लोगों का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस पहली बार संयुक्त राष्ट्र की महासभा द्वारा 1994 में घोषित किया गया, जिसे हर साल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दशक के दौरान बनाया जाता है। वे आज भी आदमी के अलग नस्लों के रूप में अजूबे की तरह पेश किए जाते हैं। उनकी विचित्र वेशभूषा लोगों के ध्यान को केंद्रित करती है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Srinivita from KM Public School, Bhiwani, and today I want to share my views regarding COVID-19 and resilience of indigenous people across the world. And increasingly relevant and concerning issue that the indigenous people have been facing is the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. While there have been different responses regionally, the indigenous people in North America have demonstrated resilience by taking their health into their own hands and working to protect their community. At the same time, indigenous people have been using their traditional knowledge and practice to find a solution to the challenges the pandemic brings them. In this time of crisis, their community need our help, and we need these indigenous people and their traditional knowledge to build a better, brighter post-COVID-19 world. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Khushi, student of class 12. I am here to express my views on the occasion of International Day of the World's Indigenous People. International Day of the World Indigenous People commemorated annually on 9 August to raise awareness to the needs of indigenous people globally. By Resolution 49/2014 of 23 December 1994, the United Nations General Assembly decided that the day would be observed on 9 August every year. The date marks the day of the first meeting in 1982 of the United Nations Working Group on the Indigenous People of the Subcommission on the Promotion and Protection of Human Rights. This event also recognizes the achievements and contributions that indigenous people make to improve world issues such as environmental protection. In 2004, the Assembly proclaimed a second international decade from 2005 to 2015 with the theme of A Decade from Action and Dignity. People from different nations are encouraged to participate in observing the day to spread the United Nations. The message on indigenous people. Activities may include educational forms and classroom activities to gain an appreciation and a better understanding of indigenous people. In the year 2016, it was reported that about 2,680 indigenous languages were endangered and on the verge of the becoming extinct. Hence, United Nations designated 2019 to be the International Year of Indigenous Languages. To pursue, convince and create awareness to people about indigenous languages. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mayank Indra from class 11th. Today on the occasion of International Day of Indigenous People, I am here to give a speech on the theme COVID-19 and Resilience of Indigenous People. Indigenous Peoples Day recognizes the achievements and the resilience of indigenous people who continue to resist the violence and colonial activity set in motion by Christopher Columbus in 1492. Every year, we celebrate the beauty, diversity, and resilience of indigenous people throughout the Americas and Pacific. We utilize this day as our platform to increase awareness and visibility of students on Columbia's campus. The effect of coronavirus. Indigenous peoples have to face a lot of problems. Firstly, they have to face a problem that they can live far from hospitals and often lack the resistance to the diseases that other populations have. Secondly, minors and other trespassers risk exposing to these vulnerable communities to coronavirus. Thirdly, lockdown means routes to market have been closed down and the hunger is a real threat. These are some of the challenges which are faced by indigenous people in this pandemic. Despite all these challenges, indigenous people work with their resilience. Let us stand to appreciate the resilience, hard work and perseverance of the indigenous people who make our world a better place. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.
Respected Principal Ma'am, honorable teachers and my dear friends, today I am Tanu got a golden opportunity to express my views on the topic of International Day of World Indigenous People with the hope that instead of finding my fault, you will encourage me. Did you know more than 86% of indigenous people globally work in the informal economy compared to 66% of their non-indigenous counterparts? Indigenous people are nearly 3 times as likely to be living in extreme poverty compared to their non-indigenous counterparts. Globally, 47% of all indigenous people in employment have no education compared to 17% of their non-indigenous counterparts. That this gap is even wider for women. The COVID-19 pandemic has exposed and exacerbated many extinguished inequalities disproportionately affecting populations all over the world that were already suffering from the poverty, illness, discrimination, institutional instability, and financial insecurity. Leaving no one behind, indigenous people and the call for a new social contract. There are over 476 million indigenous people living in 19 countries across the world, accounting for 6.2% of the global population. Indigenous people are the holders of a vast diversity of unique cultures, traditions, languages, and knowledge systems. They have a special relationship with their land and hold diverse concepts of development based on their own worldviews and priorities. Although numerous indigenous people worldwide are self-governing and some have been successful in establishing autonomy in varying forms. Thank you.
I am Bhumika from class 11. स्वदेशी लोग अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस सर्वप्रथम 9 अगस्त को बनाया गया। वे लोग जो विदेशी लोगों से रीति रिवाजों की दशाओं में अलग हों, इस दिन को बनाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य स्वदेशी लोगों द्वारा झेला जाना परेशानियों को खत्म करना अथवा इस दिन अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सहयोग साथ बैठकर विभिन्न परेशानियों की चर्चा करते हैं ताकि इसका समाधान मिल सके। विभिन्न प्रकार की परेशानियां होती हैं जैसे कि सामाजिक विकास, गरीबी, बेरोजगारी। वे लोग अपनी जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते रहते हैं, जैसे एक राज्य से दूसरे राज्य या स्वदेश से विदेश। इसका मुख्य कारण प्रत्येक देश के लिए स्वदेशी लोगों का अर्थ अलग अलग होता है। जैसे अमेरिका में स्वदेश उन्हें कहा जाता है जो यूरोप लोगों में आने से पहले ही रह गई।
नमस्कार, मैं प्राची कक्षा 8वीं से आज विश्व आदिवासी दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहती हूँ। विश्व आदिवासी दिवस आबादी के अधिकारों को बढ़ावा देने और उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए प्रत्येक वर्ष 9 अगस्त को आदिवासी लोगों का विश्व आदिवासी दिवस मनाया जाता है। वे आज भी आदमी की अलग अलग नस्लों के रूप में अजूबों की तरह पेश किए जाते हैं। विश्व आदिवासी लोगों का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस पहली बार संयुक्त राष्ट्र की महासभा द्वारा दिसंबर 1994 में घोषित किया गया, जिसे हर साल विश्व के आदिवासी लोगों के पहले अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दशक के दौरान मनाया जाता है। 9 अगस्त यानी विश्व आदिवासी दिवस पर राष्ट्रीय अवकाश की मांग उठने लगी है। हमारे आदिवासी समुदाय के लोग ट्विटर के जरिए अपनी बात रख रहे हैं। आदिवासी शब्द 2 शब्द आदि और वासी से मिलकर बना है। इसका अर्थ मूल निवासी से है। भारत की जनसंख्या का 8.6% अर्थात 10 करोड़ देश की आदिवासी है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning teachers and everyone. I am Keshav from class 11B. Today on the occasion of World International Day of the Indigenous People. Indigenous people have been heavily impacted by COVID-19. Nevertheless, their response to the global pandemic has shown their resilience in overcoming challenges. Indigenous people continue to use unique solutions to tackle the pandemic as they have for centuries. They are taking action drawing on their traditional knowledge and practices such as voluntary isolation and sending off their territories. Indigenous people are also implementing preventive and protective measures, providing key messages and launching media campaigns in indigenous language to ensure greater awareness and outreach. These and many other practices are vital to preserve indigenous peoples and their communities and cultures as they continue to be disproportionately impacted by pandemic. Indigenous youth in many communities are playing a key role in supporting community decisions by enforcing restrictions and lockdowns, distributing essentials and health equipment,